from Palestinian School in Doha. I'm going to explain your English lesson today. Please follow with me. If you remember, my students, we talked about the school days. And we said we go to school on Sundays, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And on these days, we have subjects. We have maths, science, English, Arabic, PE, and religion. Today we are going to talk about the last 2 days of the week, which are Friday and Saturday. And on these 2 days, we don't go to school. We call these 2 days weekend. So today we will talk about the activities we do during these 2 days or at the weekend. So what do you do at the weekend? Now please listen to this audio.
Track 55. Go to the beach. Visit the mosque. Play basketball. Listen to music. Play football. Go to the playground.
What do you do on Fridays?
On Fridays, I visit the mosque.
What do you do on Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I play football.
So these are some of the activities that we do at the weekend. Go to the beach, visit the mosque, play basketball, listen to music, play football, go to the playground. Now, my students, we are going to ask our friends Hamza, Fiona, and Hala the following question in the speech bubble. The question is, what do you do at the weekend? One of them answered us, on Fridays I go to the mosque. On Saturdays I play football. Now let's listen to the rest of their answers and match. Here you can notice that we have 3 pictures of our friends Hamza, Fiona, and Hala. And below the pictures we have also some pictures of the activities that they like to do at the weekend. Number 1 is listening to music. Number 2, visiting the mosque. Number 3, playing football with friends. Number 4, going to the beach. Number 5, playing basketball. And number 6, playing with friends at the playground. Don't forget to listen carefully and match each character with the suitable pictures. Don't forget to write below the pictures F or S. F, it means Friday, and S, it means Saturday. So, for example, when Hamza says, I go to the mosque on Fridays, so we write F below the picture of the mosque.
Track 56.
What do you do at the weekend, Hamza?
On Fridays, I go to the mosque with Dad.
What about Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I play football. What about you, Fiona?
I go to the playground with my friends on Fridays and I play basketball on Saturdays.
What do you do, Hala?
On Fridays, I go to the beach with my family. And on Saturdays, I listen to music.
Now, my students, let's listen again and check your answers.
Track 56.
What do you do at the weekend, Hamza?
On Fridays, I go to the mosque with Dad.
What about Saturdays?
On Saturdays, I play football. What about you, Fiona?
I go to the playground with my friends on Fridays and I play basketball on Saturdays.
What do you do, Hala?
On Fridays, I go to the beach with my family. And on Saturdays, I listen to music.
Very good, students. Now, my students, let's move to activity number 2. If you remember, we asked Hamza, Fiona, and Hala about what they do at the weekend. Now, we are going to listen again and complete the spaces with the activities they like to do on Fridays and on Saturdays. So let's listen and complete.
Track 57.
Hamza, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays? On Saturdays? Fiona, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays? On Saturdays? Hala, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays? On Saturdays?
Now, let's listen again and check your answers.
Track 57.
Hamza, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays?
I go to the mosque.
On Saturdays?
I play football.
Fiona, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays?
I go to the playground.
On Saturdays?
I play basketball.
Hala, what do you do at the weekend? On Fridays?
I go to the
On
beach.
Saturdays?
I listen to music. Now, my students, let's ask each other, what do you do at the weekend? So, some of your answers. On Fridays, I go to the playground. On Saturdays, I play basketball. Can you ask and answer your friends or your brother or your sister? Please try to do it. Now, my students, let's move to period 6 of our unit on Sundays I. In activity number 1, we have some broken words we have to reorder them and write correct sentences. Don't forget to match each sentence with the suitable picture. Take 2 minutes to do it. Now, let's check your answers. Number 1, Fridays, I, music, listen to, on. And the correct answer is, on Fridays, I listen to music. Don't forget to start the sentence with capital letter and to put full stop at the end. And the days of the week start also with capital letters. You can notice the word Fridays starts with capital letter. And the suitable picture is C. Now, sentence number 2. Games on, I, computer, Saturdays, play. The correct answer is, on Saturdays, I play computer games. Also, you can notice here that we started the sentence with capital letter and at the end full stop, and the word also Saturdays starts with capital letter. And the suitable picture is picture D. Number 3, the friends weekend I with at play. The correct answer is, at the weekend I play with friends. And the suitable picture is A, picture A. The last sentence, watch I on TV 2 Saturdays. The correct answer is, on Saturdays I watch TV 2. This 2 at the end of the sentence means also. It means also on Saturdays I watch TV. And the suitable picture is picture B. Thank you and very good. Now my students, please read the following 2 sentences. On Thursdays, I have English. At the weekend, I watch TV. Now, your homework is to copy these 2 sentences in your copybook 3 times correctly within 4 lines. Now I'm going to ask you the following question. What do you do at the weekend? Please take 2 minutes and write your answers in the spaces. Well done. Now I did it. I will show you my answer. On Fridays, I go to the mosque with my father. On Saturdays, I play basketball with my friends. Please do the same and write about yourself or your activities that you do at the weekend. Now my students, let's move to the last part of our lesson, which is the homework. Your homework for today is to complete the following sentences about yourself. Complete with the suitable subjects, days, and the activities that you like to do at the weekend. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understood everything. See you soon.